So, you are ready to get an OpenToonz character? Good thing you are here because I will be showing you my method of OpenToonz rigging so that you can create your own cartoons. The first step is to create all the layers to import into OpenToonz. This can be done directly on the app, but I prefer to use an art program such as Fire Alpaca so that I can easily add details and shading. You will usually want your legs and arms to be below the body, which will be below the head. The rule of thumb is that every part you want to rotate or move in any way should be in its own individual layer. Personally, I use 3 layers for each arm. This includes the upper arm, lower arm, and the hand. For legs, I use 2 layers, one for below the knee and one for above the knee. When you are drawing faces, I highly recommend separating the pupil and the rest of the eye into separate layers so that you can freely move the pupils around. Once all of your layers are drawn, export them layer by layer with a transparent background and bring all of your files into the same folder for your character rig. Now, you can place that folder into OpenToonz and all of your drawn layers should load. Change the order to whatever part you would like to be in front of the other. Next, go to Stage Schematic. You will now need to parent whichever layer you want another layer to be controlled by. For example, I want the lower arm to move when my upper arm moves. So, I will set the upper arm as the parent of the lower arm. I like to have all my arm and leg layers be children of the body, and have all my facial layers be children of the head, which will also be a child of the body. Now, the last step is to choose your anchor point. This is the area where your part will rotate around. And that's it! Now you have your own character that you can move around. You can import these characters into projects by saving a file you are on and clicking Import as sub-X sheet onto a new scene.